Hi guys, Jamie Kaaihue here from CrossFit Huaka'i. This is Coaches Development Homework Lesson 6, and this is Lesson Planning Part 2. So I chose the workout that has Part A, that back squat, that 4 rounds of 7 reps, and Part B is a 10 rounds for time, 100-meter run followed by 10 alternating dumbbell snatches. So I'm going to treat the back squat portion as more of like a skill work day. So I have it as a 2-minute EMOM at 50 to 60%. So every 2 minutes, they're going to get 7 back squats at about 50 to 60% of their 1 rep max. The stimulus for Part B is 10 to 15 minutes. So again, I have the timeline here, 4 minutes for the whiteboard brief, 7 minutes on the cool down. And then I allotted that 15-minute time block for Part B. So that's going to start at 38 minutes. Then working backwards, I have a warm-up round for Part B. That's going to start at 36 minutes. It gives them 2 minutes to get that warm-up round in. And then before that, we have our little 3-minute break here. And this is where they're going to clean up Part A. Okay, so that's going to be at 33 after the back squat. Part A of the back squat is going to start at 25 minutes. So that gives them that 8-minute window right here because it's 2 minutes per round and we got four rounds at that. Working backwards again, at 20 minutes, they're going to start to build for that back squat, and it's only 50 to 60%, so it's a rather light weight. So we only need about 5 minutes here because it's going to take them 2 sets max to find that weight for that portion of the WOD. And then during this time, I'm also going to have them take their bathroom breaks either in between sets or if they find their sets right off the bat early and have time at the end, and they can hit the bathroom break there. So with that being said, that leaves me 16 minutes for my general and specific warm-up. So I cut that down to 6 minutes for the specific warm-up and then 9 minutes for the general warm-up. So in the general warm-up, we're going to warm up the run. So I'm going to have some line drills, do a few, maybe 1 or 2 100-meter runs, line drills, warming up the hamstrings, the quads, the calves, all those. And then I'm also going to add in some air squats in there to warm up for the back squats. And then I'm going to sprinkle in some dumbbell progressions for the snatches. Then moving on to the specific warm-up, that gives me 6 minutes. So I'm going to dial in the full dumbbell snatch, followed by how to cycle them quickly. So this part should take about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, which leaves me another 3 minutes. Quick rundown on the back squat. I'm already going to touch on like the basics here in the air squat. So for here, we're just going to talk about unracking and re-racking that barbell, and then some squat initiations with the back squat. And then for the cool down, we're going to stretch out the hamstrings, the quads, and the shoulders, all the things that we used here in Part A and Part B. And that's my homework. Thank you.